Hi everybody, today we're going to feature the BabyUpLULA that loads 22 caliber magazines up to 380 ACP. You take the magazine, place it on the surface, place the BabyUpLULA on top of it, close the front part of it. As you see, the beak is now touching the follower. You press it down, you take the bullet, put inside and release. Do the same thing again, press the front part back towards the bullet. Now the beak is touching the bullet and press it down. Release and do it again until you are left with a full magazine. Please visit our website for more information and to see if the BabyUpLULA is compatible with your magazine. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.